Right. How many standpipes do we have?
30, do you want me to count standpipes or air vents and standpipes?
Do we paint air vents?
Yes.
Okay, air vents, standpipes. Roughly 50, 100?
No, 38.
Okay. And we have two pump properties, this property and that property, right?
Yes.
Is it outside of those two properties, do we weed eat?
Every standpipe,
Got it. 30 standpipes and whatever.
yeah.
Okay, and paint. Okay.
Windy,
How many total repairs? I didn't know if you came up at this time. I must have made an error. I counted 38 repairs, but I gave you credit for 3. I thought I'd gone off the minutes, but I may be wrong. How many repairs do we have left right now?
oh, right now?
Right now.
36, I believe.
36. Okay. That's in the entire district.
Yes.
And your last quote for the cost of repairs was how much?
Let me get that page, I'm sorry. I had a quote as low, the first time I did it, was $212.72. And then when I looked at it closer, I came to, and that was only today, and I was kind of scrambling, so I could be off, was
30-something dollars?
no.
Yeah, that was for October.
For
The
October
20 that was done
only,
in October.
our average was $37.76 per repair.
There's 30 left in the entire district.
Yeah.
And that adds up to, we can do the math. What's the cost to run a quarter line of pipe? It's about $70,000.
$70,000.
Wouldn't it, $30 a repair, is it much easier and cheaper just to repair the lines and replace every line in the district? We're talking millions and millions and millions of dollars.
Yes.
Can I, Richard, can I